Right now we're gonna see how to post a normal item, which is not a car, or is an item that's not more than $10,000 in the auctioning section for auctioning. First you gotta log in, username, demo, passwords, you go in, okay, you go to my account, new auction, okay, choose category. I have a watch that I want to place in the auctioning section. So let's look for it here. Cell phones, coins, crafts. We're gonna find it. Jewelry and watches. There you go. Click on this category. Wait for the page to load. Okay, the page has loaded. As usual, the fields with the red star are required, like this one has a red star, so it's required. Okay, the watch I want to sell is called a Humbert watch. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this because I'm gonna need it later. Go down. Start time's already set. Don't change it. End time, let's make it 1 month from now, April 30th. Okay, and let's make it 12 noon. Okay, currency is in US dollars as usual. Start bid, I'm gonna make it cheap. I'm gonna make it like $15. And the default minimum increase is the amount that a bidder can outbid another bidder. He has to increase that amount. So right now it's set to $10. So if somebody bids in the beginning bid of $15 and somebody wants to outbid him, he has to pay $25 or more to outbid him. Anyway, this default minimum increase, you should change it according to the item price. It's proportional to the item price. So since this is a very cheap item, I'm gonna make it like $2. So basically, somebody to outbid the other guy, he has to pay $2 or more. So right now, if it's like 15, he has to pay 17 or more. Okay. Then we go to the shipping settings. You gotta add the shipping zones, all the shipping zones for all the countries in the GCC. And you can check the shipping value according to your mail center that's nearest to you. You can tell them like the dimensions of the item, and you can get the shipping values for each country. Once you get the shipping value for each country, you can put it here. For Bahrain, I'm gonna make it like it's a small watch, so I'm gonna make it like $10. You gotta add it for all the countries. So the next one is Kuwait. Maybe make it like $7 for Oman. How about $5? And for Qatar, it's about, let's say, the $11, etc. I'm just gonna fill them out, all of them. Saudi Arabia, maybe $10 again. And finally, United Arab Emirates. Since I reside in the UAE, it's gonna be the cheapest shipping. So it's five. I'm gonna make it $5. You can add the shipping info here, all the information that you need, describing how you're gonna ship it. You can add it here, or you can leave it empty. In any case, short description, paste, Humbert watch. You gotta fill this because there's a red star next to it, and you can enter a detailed description here, and or you can leave it empty. I'm just gonna leave it empty. Tags, it's the keywords that are used in the search engine when somebody searches for an item and he uses certain keywords. It's gonna match the keywords to the ones in the description of the item. So we can add here keywords like Humbert watch. We can add the image. Okay, it's here in, where is it? Ah, it's here. Okay, watch. Let's add this image first. You can add another image. I have another image here. And then you click save. There you go. So there is the item. You can click here to see all the images. Okay. And this shipping cost, as we said, you have to fill it out for all the countries in the GCC, since anybody in any country in the GCC can buy it, and you have to have the right shipping value. As we said, for the shipping value, contact your nearest post office, give them the dimensions of the item you want to sell, and they're going to give you the price for each country in the GCC. Okay, and now you can make this a featured auction for just $20. Featured auctions, as we said before, it makes your item appear in the first search results. So you just pay $20 more, and that will make your item appear in the first search results. It's very useful thing to do. So you can do that here by clicking on this. Okay, we're gonna click on this to make it featured. As usual, you're gonna go to the PayPal website by clicking here on buy now, the PayPal payment, buy now. You enter PayPal email, your password, pay now, back to the website. Okay, so now your item is featured. It's gonna appear in the first search results. Let's check the email. You have the first email that comes here. Your auction Humbert watch was published. So it just says that it was published and it's live now on the website. You can copy and paste this link to see the item. And the other email is for your payment for the feature, $20. You're just gonna confirm that you made the payment. And that's it. I just want to mention that always when you place an auction live on the mymazad.net website, always check your email inbox, because every time somebody bids on an item, you're gonna get a message, an email indicating the new bid and the person who bid it on the item. So always keep a close eye on your email once you place an item for auctioning. And at the end of the auction, you're gonna also receive emails instructing you of the winning bidder and like how to do the transaction and how to pay the commission and all that stuff. In any case, we're gonna cover that in future tutorials.